Hello guys and welcome back. In this video we're going to see how to download and install Eclipse IDE on Windows 10 for developing Java applications. Go to Google and search for Eclipse IDE and click on the first link to go to its official website. Here at the top right corner you will find a download button. Click on this, which will take you to the second page. Here if you scroll down you will find download 64-bit option available. Click on this button and from this page you can download setup.exe file for IDE from the nearest server. It may be different in your case. So let me click on download button. So your download will start. It may take some time. So let me fast forward this portion. Now here IDE is downloaded and double click on this exe file to run the setup. Click on yes. Now on this page it will ask you to select the preference for IDE. So you can configure Eclipse for different languages. So you can configure IDE for Java developers or C++ developers or PHP developers and so on. So let us select Eclipse IDE for Java developers. Click on this option. Now here it will show you the location of JVM and installation folder for IDE. So already we have installed JVM, which is this path, and IDE will be installed on this path. So let us go with the default path, and this will create shortcut on desktop and start menu. Click on install button. Now click on accept now button to accept the license agreement. Okay. Now your installation will start. It will install essential tools for Java developers like IDE and Git client, XML editor, etc. Now here you make the checkbox on and click on accept button. Okay, so installation will complete and you are ready to launch IDE now. Let me click on launch button to start our IDE. So let's try to create a simple Java program using this IDE. Now here you can select the location for your Java project. Now let me change it to D-type Java folder. Let us give some name. Click on launch button. So your IDE is ready now. Let me close this welcome window and create a new Java project. So go to file menu and select new Java project. Now let us give some name to your project. Let us say first Java. Now here we have JDK 11 version already selected. You can change it from here. And we are going to create a separate folder for the project. Click on next. Now here you will find the folder structure of your Java project, which will have src file, and here we don't want to create a module, so clear this checkbox and click on finish. So this will create your first Java program. Now here you will find at the left hand side we have JR libraries and src folder in which we are going to add some classes. So let us add a Java class in src folder. So right click and select new class. Let us name this class as test class. Now I want to have main into this class. So make this checkbox on and click on OK. So you'll find test.txt Java file is created which has got main method. Now let us print a simple message by using system.out.println statement and put your message in double quote. Welcome to Java programming. Okay, now we have created very simple program to display welcome message. Now click on run button and click on OK button to save the changes. Now here you'll find you get a message at the bottom, welcome to Java programming. So this is how you can install and create a simple Java program. So thank you for watching this video. Please like, comment and share this video with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to us and click on bell icon to get more videos like this, and I will see you in the next video.